Math 7 students, it is time to review how to multiply fractions. Okay, so let's say I have a whole circle here, and I divide it into 3 equal parts, and I color one of those parts, or I take one of those parts. How much do I have?
You have
1/3.
1/3, thank you. So this fraction, written numerically, is 1/3, or 1 part out of 3 that make up the whole. But what if I don't want 1/3? What if I only want half of this 1/3? What if I only want this piece right there? How can I determine how much that is?
You divide 1/3 in half.
Okay? So if can I rephrase that? He said you divide 1/3 in half. What if I take half of 1/3? Okay? 1/2 of 1/3. And what does of always mean in math? Multiplication. Always. Of always means multiplication. So we have 1/2 times 1/3. Okay? The great thing with multiplying fractions, it's the easiest rule to remember. Okay? If I take a half of 1/3, if I divide all of these into halves, now my circle's divided into what?
6.
6. So I have 6 equal parts, and I take one of those, and now how many do I have?
1/6.
1/6. Okay, so that's 1/6. 1/2 of 1/3 is 1/6. We can see it in the picture here, but we can also use the rule of multiplying straight across when we multiply fractions. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6, and then we have 1/6. So remember, when you multiply fractions, the rule is to multiply straight across. One other example, if I had 2/4 times 3/7, and I multiply straight across,
6/28.
okay, 2 times 3 is 6, 4 times 7 is 28, and then we would want to reduce that fraction, okay, which would be 3/7.
No, 14.
Okay, 3/14, because we're dividing the top and the bottom both by 2 to reduce it as far as we can. That is a very quick review on how to multiply fractions.
Do I push red button again?
Yep.